We're going into the data structure series part of the course. Data structures are very important for us. You think about all the things we process, all the data we process with Python, we have to store it to some variable, right? So data structures is essentially one type of variable, one type of Python object, basically storing all those data for us. And then so we can easily manipulate those data sets ourselves within the data structure. So three most popular data structures are list, tuple, and dictionary. List, I think we saw some of the list examples earlier in our earlier courses. It's an ordered collection of values, and the key word is ordered. So list has an order. Then you can retrieve certain values by passing the positions to retrieve a certain element. Tuple is like a list, but is immutable and unchangeable. So basically, the element in the tuple is basically you don't want it to be changeable. Then this is the important part of tuple. Dictionary, it's another data structure where it has a key and it has a value pairs. Like you can basically define the key and then give a value to that key. So when you want to retrieve the value, you can just pass the key to retrieve the value. So this is the key value pairs of the data structure. And dictionary is not ordered. So compared to list is ordered, right? You can see the first element, the second element, or third element. But dictionary, it's not, it doesn't work like that. So you pass the key and retrieve the respective values for that key. So those are the three most popular data structures in Python. And in the next few courses, we will have detailed um, introductions, like show you how each type of data structure work. So what I would advise you to do is run through every single examples, create a new Python files in your VS Code, and run through every single examples in your VS Code or PyCharm if you use a different IDE, and basically run it yourself. And this is the only effective way you can learn. So with this, good luck and enjoy the course.